and welcome to the Blackboard Black Belt Achievement Series, the Grade Center Guru, Part 4. In this video, we will continue exploring Blackboard's Grade Center by learning a little about the advanced grading features the full Grade Center has to offer. Let's get started by clicking on the Test Smart View in the course menu under Grade Center. Here we can see the items that are categorized as a test. A couple of people have taken this test. I would like to see how they did, what questions they missed, and how long it took them. To do this, we can click on the Options menu to the right of the item's name and click Attempt Statistics. This page will show us accrued item analysis on each of the questions in our test. Also, from the Options menu, you can choose to view Item Analysis. This will show you more advanced statistics. We'll look at the test that you would like to run an analysis on, then click the Run button. After the report runs, it will show up here under Available Analysis. Click on the link to navigate to the report. As you can see, there are a lot more advanced statistics to be found here. Please note that you will need to rerun this analysis if any other students complete the test. Similar data can be found by going back to the Options menu, and this time choosing Column Statistics. From this page, we can even switch between tests to run real-time analysis on these items. Finally, the Grade Center features in Blackboard are great, but sometimes instructors need to work offline for one reason or another. The assignment file download and work offline features allow the instructor to do just that. To download all the submissions for a particular assignment, simply click on the Options menu icon next to the assignment column and click Assignment File Download. Since this is a group assignment, there is only one submission. But if it were an individual assignment, you would see a long list of student submissions. Simply click on the Select All checkbox at the top and then click the Submit button. This will take you to a confirmation screen with a download link. Click the Download Assignments Now link and save the zip file to a location on your computer. After unzipping the file, you will notice an assignment submission file. In this case, it is a Microsoft Word document and a TXT file. You will have two files for every submission. The .txt file simply gives the instructor metadata on the submission. Now that we have the submissions downloaded, we need a way to enter the grades for the submission. We will return to the full Grade Center. On the right-hand side of the screen, hover over Work Offline. Then select Download. On this page, we can select to download the full Grade Center, which would include all the columns in the Grade Center, a selected grading period if we set up grading periods, a selected column, or just the user information, which would come in handy if an instructor just needs the names of the students. For this demonstration, we are going to choose Selected Columns. Then choose the assignment that we recently downloaded. We can choose a comma or tab delimited format and whether or not to include any hidden information if the instructor has set up hidden columns or rows. Finally, we select where we want to download the file to. For this demonstration, I'm going to leave all the default values, then click Submit. Then click the Download button. Save the file to a location on your computer. From here, the instructor can open the file and enter grades as they read the file submissions. When the instructor is finished grading and is ready to upload the grades, simply go back to the full Grade Center, hover over the Work Offline menu in the top right of the screen, then click Upload. Click the Browse My Computer button. This will locate the file that you enter and save the grades into. Most often, it's best to leave the delimiter type option to auto, but if your upload fails, you might need to experiment with this setting. Click Submit. Depending on the size of your file, this may take a while to upload. You will then see a confirmation page. If everything looks right, click Submit. You will see that our grades have successfully been uploaded. Before we conclude, let's take a moment to review our best practices for monitoring student activity and performance in your Blackboard course. First, assessments with points are added automatically to the Grade Center. If you've created an assessment in Blackboard that has points, even 0 points, then Blackboard has already created a column for that assessment in the Grade Center. Don't create another column for that assessment, as it can become confusing. Second, hiding a column from your view in column organization does not remove it from the student's view. If you want to hide a column from their gradebook, use the Edit Column Information function and set it to Hidden from Student View. Third, running totals need 0 for grades. If you choose to leave your total column as a running total, enter zeros for any assignments that students fail to turn in. This way, they'll have an accurate picture of their actual grade in the course. And fourth, when working offline with grades, change only the grade information. If you choose to download your Grade Center to work offline, enter the student grades and save the file. Changing as little as possible to the spreadsheet will ensure that it can be successfully uploaded back into the Grade Center. Let's take a look back at what we've learned. In this course, we learned how to create different types of Grade Center columns, how to manage the external grade, how to manage the full Grade Center using a variety of tools, how to grade offline, how to run a few statistical analyses, and a few best practices. That concludes the final video in the Grade Center Guru course. Don't forget to take the quiz to complete the course. You will need 100% on the quiz, but don't worry, you'll have as many attempts as you need.